Marami sa ating mga Christians na alam natin yung line na to. Ito yung sinabi ni Jesus, "If you love me, you will keep my commandments." And some read it or use it in a context na as if Jesus wants this in exchange for this. Kumbaga, wala siyang pinagkaiba sa statement na, "Sige nga, patunayan mo nga na mahal mo ako. Gawin mo nga to." And actually, hindi ganun. "If you love me, you will keep my commandments" is a statement of comfort. It's a statement of assurance para sa mga believers, para sa mga nagmamahal sa Kanya. It's not a statement of, "Sige nga, i-prove mo nga sa akin." Rather, it's a statement of, "Alam mo, don't worry. If you love me, wala lang yan. Sisiw lang yan sa'yo." Pag self-centered ang tingin natin sa statement na to, following His commandments will be all about us. It's all about us, proving na mahal nga natin siya. At ang obedience ngayon ay product na ng sarili mong strength, sarili mong willpower. It's all about you ngayon at kung gaano ka kagaling sumunod. Rather than acknowledging na it's a work of the Holy Spirit. Na we love because He first loved us. Na wala tayong kayang ipagmayabang every time we obey. True saving faith manifests through works. Not by our own power but through the power of God in us. This should make us more dependent on God rather than increasing self-reliance para maka-obey.